extremely high demand for mounting systems, highest expectations in quality and reliability. How do the supplier of mounting systems deal with it, and how can they make installation easier? I'm here with Ludwig Schletter, head of SL-Rec. He is a pioneer from the early days of our solar industry. Thank you for inviting us. Mr. Schletter, there is a tremendous demand for mounting systems now. Have you ever experienced something like this before?
Yes. We have the same situation 2008, 2009, 2010. And it was in this time we had doubled our problems. We had managed our new building and such things. And now is the same situation, and it's possible to handle this. We have the experience to handle this situation.
Yeah, there's one thing is the production side, the supply. More installers want to have more mounting systems and to install more roofs. Yeah. So how do you manage with it, the production and the supply side?
The supply starts with a design, with an optimum in the design, and we had done this in a new way. We had the possibility to think new, and we use this time for us to optimize, and it helps us in the supply chain. We have less parts and easy to produce, parts easy to produce, and it's very important for us supplier to qualify and to ramp up the quantity.
So the condition is to reduce the number of parts you need on the rooftop. How many parts do you need for SL system?
The new system needs only 5 parts for a roof, for a tile roof, normally installer can do the logistic in his car, in his Sprinter, and you have 5 boxes, and you can go to the site and you install a normal roof.
And they have so many wishes, the installers. Yeah, they want to have less parts, smaller systems. They want to have more variety for rooftops. So lots of wishes is coming to you. How do you handle it? Is there an opportunity to make a compromise or something like that?
This is a very important part for us, as the feedback from the customer. This is the very important for our sales team to
get a feedback.
Get the feedback, yes. And we have experience over 25 years. We start in 1996.
Okay.
And
very early.
We have yes, very early.
Maybe you were the first. That's it.
Yes, we were one of the first. We start with Donauer. This Urgestein. We designed also not so optimized or not optimum products, but now we had time to do this in a new way and to think new, and this was very successful, I think.
Yeah, and that's a lot of experience now in the development of new products. Yeah, and so what is here, what you say is the most important innovation that you present? I've heard about the plate here that people ask me, is this supplyable? Yeah, is it already deliverable?
We have started with the Alpha-Platte. Alpha-Platte is a Dachersatzziegel, also ein Substitution, total, yes. And this is the next innovation. And we can work, or the installer can work with a standard hook. And it's, but the conditions, the tile, he needs no tile, and it's not the risk and it's not under pressure, and the risk for destroy the tile is safe.
Yeah, it's a great problem for the warranty of the rooftop. So that's very intelligent. And it's already in the supply?
We like to start the supply this week for the trade fair, but we have 1 week delay, and it depends on the tool maker.
Yeah, but it's 1 week.
Yes.
So actually, it's nothing.
No, but we finished. Normally we finished when we start next week.
So thank you very much for the inspiring insights in your philosophy concerning mounting systems. I wish you a lot of talks here, interesting discussions, and a good business.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Mr. Schletter, it was very great to meet you.